Hello, everybody. So, before we start, I would like to invite you to have a look at this QR code, which you can scan in case you don't understand English or you may have a preference for another language. So please do scan this QR code. As a matter of fact, this is the application that we are providing to the conference, to the summit, so that everybody can be able to follow the discussion and the presentations without having a particular problem and the language issue. So, thank you for joining. I have some notes, so I will be able to have a quick read. We are in the greatest technological revolution in history. We build models with trillions of parameters, and we can generate art, code, and entire synthetic worlds. But here am I to draw your attention to the most embarrassing failure of human-designed intelligence. Despite the progress of AI, we still haven't solved mutual human understanding. This is really the AI paradox of 2025. We can synthesize a person's voice perfectly. We can create videos which look so real, yet we still can't guarantee that a deaf person can communicate with a utility company, or that a blind citizen can understand a letter coming from a public sector department. 40% of the population faces some kind of communication challenge. May that be vision, hearing, cognition, or language. If our technology leaves 40% of the population silenced, how intelligent is it really? Or is it perhaps just conveniently exclusive? For decades, accessibility was treated as a charitable cost, a minor legal annoyance, or a footnote in an ESG report. That world is now long gone. The European Accessibility Act deadline has already passed 5 months ago. Compliance is no longer an upcoming challenge, it is a current, enforceable, legal and financial obligation that must also appear on the company's published results. The Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, the so-called CSRD, demands reporting on measurable social impact. If we cannot serve every person, whether that may be a customer or a citizen, flawlessly, we're not just failing a compliance audit, we are failing our people, perhaps a family member or a friend. The ultimate cost is that the human potential that we leave behind and on the table simply goes to waste. The question for every leader in this room is the following: how quickly can we change the situation? How quickly can we shift from exclusion to inclusion? Should we lead this effort or simply follow? Or even worse, can we still keep ignoring it? At Evenly, we recognize that the problem wasn't just a lack of as a matter of fact, a lack of technology or AI. It was a lack of empathy combined with lack of intelligent infrastructure. Most, if not all, solutions are built for the neurotypical, for people who can hear, who can listen, who can understand. The neurodivergent are ignored, and any existing solutions are fragmented. We can have one app for translation, another one for sign language. We can have another one for document reading, etc., etc. So fragmentation creates friction, and friction kills inclusion. So we decided to use AI to create one integrated solution and architect communication equality. So you would ask me, what is Evenly? It's on the next page. It's an end-to-end communication intelligence platform for organizations. We don't sell tools, we offer companies and organizations the power to provide their services to everyone with zero barriers. We eliminate friction just with one simple QR code, as you may have seen, or just one simple click. Evenly is the platform with the widest accessibility breadth globally, and we cover all possible touchpoints: physical, remote, call centers, content like document and websites, and of course, we handle events. As a matter of fact, today's Gen AI, as you may have seen, is supported by the evening technology. This is how we move inclusion from a compliance chore to a seamless, integrated communication intelligence layer. We are the trusted partner for regulated and high-volume sectors from banking and utilities to airports and healthcare. We're not just meeting the European Accessibility Act standard, we are setting the bar for global AI-driven social responsibility. This summit is about the next generation of AI agents, tools that reason, plan, and operate autonomously. But before that, we must ensure understanding. The prime directive before maximum efficiency is maximum inclusion. If our and your agents can generate flawlessly structured data, they must ensure that data can be seen by the blind, and the visually impaired. If they can process and translate if we can process and translate high-speed speech, we must also ensure that speech can be heard by the deaf and the hard of hearing. And people that speak a different language should never say again, "It's all Greek to me." I stand here today as an AI, here's the term is visionary, but an AI person, and I issue a direct challenge to every pioneer in this room. Stop viewing accessibility as a side project. It's not. Accessibility and inclusion are the ultimate proof points of our AI's maturity. Before our AI is truly intelligent, it should be able to solve the most complex, most ethical human problem of all, achieving universal, mutual understanding. We strongly believe that the future of AI is not defined by the height of our ambition, but by the breadth of our compassion. We're offering the architecture of equality, and we're giving organizations the tool to translate day-to-day operations to measurable social impact. The ultimate metric of this new age of intelligence is this: how many voices did we enable? How many people did we include today? Let's commit, starting now, right here in Athens, to build a future where every voice is heard, every message makes sense, and where real understanding knows no barriers. Thank you.